Right Kids TV.
A is for ant. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.